Did you see her? She's eating with her hands. Oh my god, it's so unhygienic. Gosh, she doesn't have manners. Why people think that if someone is eating with their hands, they don't have manners, they are low-class people, they don't have education, or blah blah blah. If you knew things that is happening to your body when you eat with your hands, you just want to eat everything with your hands. Well, here I am to tell you why I'm eating with my hands. I'm not saying I'm always doing it, but whenever that I could, I eat with my hands. It's so delicious and more enjoyable eating with hands. You must try it. First of all, as an ancient knowledge, ancient people, they believe that each of our fingers in our hand represent an element in the universe. The thumb represents space, the forefinger represents earth, the middle finger represents fire, the ring finger represents water, and the little finger represents earth. So you represent all the 5 elements of the universe on your fingers. When you're eating with your hands, you are basically transferring all these elements through the energy of your fingers to your digestive systems. So the food will get inside your body with the cooperation and the right combination of these 5 elements. So that food is gonna be well digested inside your body. Another reason that I can tell you, our hands are perfectly shaped to handle all kinds of food and to take it to our mouth. For example, it's a vegetable, it's a mushy kind of food, or it's hard food. Any kind of food, you can easily manage it with the fingers of your hands and take it to your mouth. The other reason is basically the portion of the food that you're going to put in your mouth. For example, let's say if you're eating with a fork or you're eating with the spoon, you could get a big portion in that spoon or a very small portion in that spoon and put it in your mouth. It's not really right portion inside your mouth, so you're not getting satisfied. So with your hand, the fingers have been designed the way that you always get the proper right amount of portion each time you want to put it in your mouth. The other thing is the temperature of the food. When you are eating your food with utensils, you do not know the right temperature of that food you're putting in your mouth, which is a part of your body. So basically either it's too cold or it's too, most of the time it's too hot, and it causes the burn inside your mouth. And basically also it's not good when you're eating the very hot food and swallowing it. It's not good for your body. The best temperature for your food is the temperature which is kind of aligning to the temperature of your body, and the only way to make that temperature is to realize it with the hand. For example, if the food is too hot, you are not able to take it by your hand because your fingers will realize this food is too hot, so you won't touch it, so then you won't put it inside your body. But when that food comes to the right temperature and you know that you can take it with your fingers, that is the right temperature which is completely suitable to go inside your body through your mouth. It will ultimately cause the weight loss for you. How this is going to happen? There is a bacteria, it is called normal flora. This bacteria is a good bacteria which lives on the palm of your hands. Okay, so when you are eating your food with your fingers and with your hand, that bacteria goes inside your body with your food, goes through your mouth and through all the way to your stomach, and it will help to better digestion of the food that you're eating with that bacteria. And also it's been said that it can help you to prevent the diabetes. How? in the research showed that people that they developed the diabetes, they were fast eaters, which when you are using the utensils is making you to eat faster. But when you are eating with your hand, you are eating in a much slower motion, which that will help you to prevent the potential of having diabetes. Also, the research has been showed that when you're eating anything with your hand, the sense of fullness comes faster to you. So it will prevent you from overeating, which will help you to stay much healthier and more fit. But always remember that you have to completely wash your hand and make sure that your hands are clean when you want to start eating with your hand. And try it. It's going to be a lot more delicious